Hey, it's Samo, and welcome to the fourth module in our affiliate marketing course. In this module, I'm going to show you how to create content for your affiliate site. And there are two main goals for our content. Number one, we want it to rank in Google so we can get consistent traffic to our site. And number two, we want our information to be helpful to visitors so they can make informed purchasing decisions and we can get compensated with affiliate commissions. Now, before we get into actually creating this content, I want to talk about something that's frequently pondered upon, and that's how much informational versus commercial content should I create for an affiliate site? Before we try and answer this question, I want you to envision two different sites at opposite extremes. One site with just informational content and another with just commercial content. Let's talk about the completely commercial site first. To help you visualize the types of content on this site, it'll be just best of comparisons, versus posts, and product reviews. Now, the problem with this kind of site, in my opinion, is that unless your reviews are legit, one of a kind, and demonstrate authority and expertise that's unmatched, it's going to be tough to really stand out. The only example I can think of that did this well was the Wirecutter before they were acquired by the New York Times. At that time, no one was really doing hands-on reviews of products with well thought out tests because it required a lot of time, money, and expertise. But the Wirecutter consistently did this really well. As a result, they earned the trust of people and earned backlinks with ease, making it an overall authority in product reviews. The bar is much higher now. So, to translate, if you're unable to at least get backlinks to your commercial pages, you probably won't be able to rank. Therefore, you won't get much traffic to your site and you won't make much in commissions. Now, let's look at the other extreme, the completely informational content. This site will have tons of how-tos, tutorials, guides, and basically anything for purely informational purposes. Now, because informational content typically earns backlinks more easily, you'll have a better chance at ranking and getting traffic to your site. But the main downside to creating a fully informational affiliate site is that you'll stunt your revenue potential because commercial topics are going to be easier to naturally recommend products. And affiliates get paid when people click those affiliate links and make a purchase. So back to the question, what is the ideal ratio of commercial to informational content for an affiliate site? Well, as I just explained, there's positives and negatives to both types of content. And because both are important, it's my opinion that any ratio that's roughly equal is completely fine. That might be a 40-60, 50-50, 60-40, or whatever. Now, the good news is that if you follow the steps I taught in Module 3, then you've already set yourself up for success. If you remember, one of the core content structures I taught was called a product cluster. And again, these are groups of commercial content pages that connect general comparison posts with multiple product reviews, as well as branded comparison posts. So if we were to transform this map into topics for a hypothetical car seat affiliate site, we might have best car seats as our general comparison, these topics as our product reviews, and maybe one branded post like Diona Radian versus Britex Marathon. Boom, our product cluster is complete with a total of 6 commercial pages. Now, if we were going for a 1-to-1 ratio, we'd want to choose around 6 informational pieces about car seats. To do that, I'll draw from my keyword research list, which I created with you in Module 3. Now, all we have left to do is create content on these topics. And creating content is what we're going to go deep into in the next lesson, where I'll show you how to write commercial blog posts that get traffic from Google and convert into affiliate commissions. I'll see you in the next lesson.